Hi, Holly here from Tugger. I just wanted to show you a quick video on how to do a drill through in Power BI Desktop. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in Power BI Desktop. I'm currently in the Open Deals tab. So if I come up to this first left-hand side pie chart here, number of open deals by pipeline stage, I can see all the stages within the open deals. And if you hover over each segment, you can see like this one's appointment scheduled and qualified to buy. So to drill through to get more details, you simply right click and go to drill through deals details. And now you can see all your open deals within qualified to buy. And to go back, you simply hold down the control key and click the back arrow there on the top right. And that brings you back. Now bear in mind, if you're in Power BI Service or you have already published your report, you don't need to hold down the control key. Okay, I hope this video is of some help. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one.